Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to use offline Google Map in your mobile device. Suppose, for example, you are traveling in one country to another country or some new place and your mobile or your SIM card is not available for the international roaming. So you can download Google Map on the particular country or particular region as an offline, and you access your Google Map whatever you want on that particular place. Some days ago I am living on Italy, right now I am living on Germany, so I downloaded both countries Google Map because of my original SIM card available on Germany, and I am accessing the Google Map instruction or Google Map features in Italy. So I'm operating both places the absolutely free, but it's need to download your Google Map offline places, and then you access whatever you want and any place in particular region or particular country. So how to deal with this and how to access offline Google Maps? So let's start as a demonstration mobile screen. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock and press the bell icon. So let's start as a demonstration on mobile screen. So let's start how to download map on offline. So for example, right now I'm living in here, so I click on my photo here, click here, and offline map is available. Right now I am accessing on my Wi-Fi network available on the particular my apartment, and right now I download the Google Map. For the selecting the option, some days ago I am living there, so I delete this one, and right now I select your map own. So I'm selecting this map accordingly, otherwise I select the whole Germany here like this, otherwise I'm selecting whole Berlin city, otherwise rest of Berlin outside area also, but just I'm selecting Berlin city, and this size is like in a 95 MB, so I select more 150 MB and just download this one. Wait couple of seconds because of download percentage is 100%, and then after I am accessing this route as a offline also. So this 100% is done. So right now I'm accessing this one. So suppose for example I shut down my networks as well as Wi-Fi, and just I'm searching here. Look at this, manage this one, work for offline, and right now direction, just I am searching here Berlin some options, so automatically options are come. So look at this here, this route to this route, they are showing me as offline, and just how to went there using this Google Map app, and you reach very easily there. So you can access such kind of features and solve your problem in specific on the any kind of traveling or any city or any country in abroad. You traveling as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh or other Asian country or United States of America, so you went in this particular location, you download this city map or country map accordingly I was explaining in this video. So just follow the instruction without internet. Sometimes you have a mobile smart device but you can't access as an internet, but you download the offline map and solve your problem. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.